I'm picturing a fight where there is live performance by people about boxing like Big Zulu, Casper Joves, but those are big names, eh? Casper likes boxing, bruh. Yeah, well, he's one of the people that introduced boxing to the people. To the people about South Africa bangazi boxing. If you know, if Casper did not do that fight was trending for like 2 to 3 weeks. Like a Casper no Nak. If a Bayenzanga fight, many people were not going to see or understand boxing or even look at boxing. But he made boxing to be popular for at least he did. So he's one of the people that I always respect in the industry. Yeah, well, so if we can have Casper even coming knock music, obviously he's a champion, celebrity champion, Big Zulu. I bet you better no man be. Yeah, well.
Before long time
Kalo ngakutayisa akekho famous Big Zulu no man be famous. So ngo i-fight ezawenza sense izabayeka man be no Big Zulu. Because in combination men be entertainment yabo yenza sense because sebehleli becomputer kakade izinto zomculo yabo utayise ninga kuyayazi boxing yabo akafani no men be
wona la combination yesonga
yambo nami lingu men be benza ubaleka mnaqala yayibo because aloku atayisi boxing itayisi kuyi boxing into yakhe so akwazi uzabeza mncela kakhulu yeah beza menzela umjojo